Okay, friends, we are going to pretend to be DJs. Get out your imaginary turntables, and when the video starts, copy what the DJ does on screen. Spin your records, make your scratching sounds, juggle those beats, and get the dance party started.
These are the music workshop dancers, and we're gonna learn a hip-hop dance called the Cat Daddy. I'm taking one of my hands right here, and I'm gonna go opposite in this rowing motion.
So repeat after me, come on everyone. There is no one better to be than myself.
There is no one better to be than myself.
Today is gonna be an amazing day.
Today is gonna be an amazing day.